Okay, so we'll start understanding what is a built-in functions in Python. So built functions. Okay, so we'll take that built-in functions. So what is built-in function? So built-in functions are those functions that are built into Python and comes as it's available for you whenever you install Python. Any distribution of Python, when you're installing, they are already shipped with along with Python, so they are already available within Python for you to access, and they can be called directly or accessed directly. Okay, so since very beginning we were already introduced to one of the built-in function, which is the print. Like, hey there, so this print is nothing but it's a built-in function. So I have not defined this how it is going to print, right? So basically taking character by character and showing it here. It is already there within the Python for us to access. So this such type of functions are all called inbuilt function. Like that we had the len function. Okay, so len function is again a built-in function. Then we had the type function. Type function is again a built-in function, right? Or let's say I have this numbers equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so then min, max. Okay, so min max numbers we can identify for the list, right? So this all functions, like this all functions like sum. The sum is also a built-in function like that. Okay, so bottom line is, wherever you see this type of function with, like, color or something, then that's not a good way to identify. However, you should know that these are the functions which is already there. You can directly call them, just use them. You need not to basically define them. And why I'm telling you that you will come to know in next video, when I will be talking about user defined function in detail. Okay, so when I'll talk about user defined function, you understand why it is called built-in function. I think that's all for this video. See you on another video.